And thank you for the privilege of being here.
Where are you from, Mr. King?
I'm from Enugu State.
All right. Thank you for joining.
Okay.
What are your thoughts on the topic?
For my thoughts, everybody is entitled to his or her thoughts. So, for my own personal thoughts, Biafra is necessary and is needed.
Okay.
Yes. Reason: because Biafra has gone beyond the stage of something you should call ordinary or a little issue, because so many sacrifice has been made for this common goal. And before this goal was being set in place, there was a reason why. Because during the time of independence in Nigeria, during the time of Nnamdi Azikiwe, was the one who called back the three tribes, which is Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba, to come together to exist as one. Initially, everybody wanted to go their separate way, but he called back everybody so that they can coexist as one. And they made an agreement. There was an agreement on that for a period of time, and which they have the time has on the amalgamation has elapsed, and it is not a crime for somebody. Let me put it this way: unity is not by force. To be in unity is not by force. That is why even in marriage.
All right. So 1 second. You say there's been a lot of sacrifice that has been made, and you said during the amalgamation there was an agreement. You said a lot of things, but let's start with the sacrifices. What sacrifice are you referring to?
Yeah, the sacrifice is that Biafran, in their pursuit, has a lot of foreign heroes. Take, for instance, Ojukwu, for instance, and so many other people.
Ojukwu is not a fallen hero. He didn't die during the war. He died a Nigerian. So next hero, please.
Okay, but despite that, he made a lot of...
There's no but. I want you to make sure you understand. Ojukwu is not a fallen hero because he did not fall naga or saga boso. So do you understand that point? So who is the next fallen hero that because of those fallen heroes we must continue?
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Hello.
Did you hear what she said?
I heard what she said.
All right. So So do you have a response
so
to that?
I heard what she said, but in that Ojukwu never denied Biafra. If she can give me any record,
it doesn't matter. You said excuse me. You said because of the fallen heroes, and then the very first person you mentioned was Ojukwu, and she's telling you Ojukwu was not a fallen hero. Oboras Osaga. You understand what that means? So tell us the next fallen hero. Now you start that point. You started in that line, right?
It's not necessary for me to start mentioning those names.
Because it is absolutely necessary. It is absolutely obvious. It is not obvious. It is not correction. It is not obvious. What I'm not going to do here is have you rehash. I'm the talking points that you are getting to. Now, if you do not know that Ojukwu is not a fallen hero, it is okay to say, am I a fallen hero? I don't know. The problem with you people in Esra, I don't know. See, you don't know. Kachi doesn't say I don't know. Me, I will say I don't know. Tell me who the fallen heroes are. You say it's not, but if the one they're wrong, you make correct. You make know they're wrong. The fallen heroes. So your next point is fallen heroes. That I go far. Now, and you don't have to only just speak English. But the reason why is fallen hero, we have debunked that the fallen hero part is out. So stick to the point that you can make so that when I'm asking you the questions, you can flow. You can be answering based on facts. What is the next point? Why we should continue to seek for Biafra? You say we have gone far. Fallen heroes, what is the next reason as to why we must continue with the agitation for Biafra?
Like I've said, Biafrans has made a lot of or not.
What are those sacrifices?
They have come to there.
What are those sacrifices?
To go back, to turn back.
No. Mr. King Afe, listen to me, okay? Now, if you get into a car and that car is going the wrong direction, but you can't read map, you will not say, because they rule halfway, you will not continue on that journey. The fact that you have gone far on a road that is a wrong road doesn't mean that you continue. You will not end up in Mbise and it will become the right road just because do you understand what you're saying?
Thank you.
Okay. Are you understanding that because I am a gala fan or something?
Thank you.
Do you understand that part?
Thank you. You saying that Biafra is
1 second. 1 second. Do you understand at least? Do you understand what she said before you start making a new point?
No, I don't want us to drag this much because she have made it clear. She have made it clear to me. She have made it clear.
Mr. King Afe. Mr. King
She made it clear. I get her point.
Right.
But she should also try to get my point as well.
No.
She have made it
Mr.
clear
King
to me.
Afe.
Listen, hello. I understand when she said that.
Mr. King Afe, hold on.
All right, Mr. King, you need to pause. Mr. King, you need to pause.
Okay.
Pause.
Okay.
What is the point of conversation, in your opinion? Equal something, the superior arguments will now override it.
Okay.
Like when you go to school, you go to Radio Biafra. You believe me because they man that thing. Today, if one at this stage now, the testament of you being somebody when you akonuchewo, each they believe you no more. But he had now on our base so that he opinion at your head. He got check or not. I am not even trying to convince you. I'm trying to tell you that the examples and the reasons you are using, I push you back. You can't even stand on it. And that is dangerous because that strong belief he prove and the mad now I got that wrong road this now because I got lafa. Do you understand what I'm even slowing it down? In our him
Okay,
the other reason. Give us the other reason as to why we should continue. Still mixing with English. Please name it.
I will say in English. Okay, listen to me.
Yeah, go ahead.
This is a media. There's a lot of people watching here. It's not everything.
Don't school us on that.
Listen,
we're talking to you.
Listen, there's limit to everything. Like you said that TikTok is giving you warning.
All right,
I heard when you said that.
Are you gonna stick to this topic or you want to
stick
school
to
me
your
on TikTok?
topic now? To
I
your
stick
point.
to my topic, but she's taking everything. I'm trying to make everything snappy so that we can flow, but she's still stepping on that. I'm even coming down to her that okay,
Mr. King, let me help you here.
I understand what she said.
Let me help you. She said earlier that if you're going, if na Sokoto you they go, right? If na Sokoto you they go, but you know home map, but you don't they go 2 days, 3 days for road, you still never reach Sokoto. Will you continue on that journey? Abi you go turn back? That is what she was asking. Will you continue on that Sokoto journey, or you will turn back and say, nah, it be like I don't miss road, make I go back, or this road
when you are lost,
no day.
When onye fulu ụzọ ịchọpụta na ifulu ụzọ ime gịnị etogharịa face the right direction.
So that you agree on that then?
The simple answer. I agree on her idea.
Okay.
But I'm
what?
telling her, she asked me a question. She said, I told her that I talked about the fallen heroes and I mentioned Ojukwu. She said Ojukwu is not a fallen hero because he didn't die during the war or he didn't die on the war.
This is not just she said. It is a fact though. No,
it is a fact. Listen, it is. Okay. I understand you.
Okay.
I understand you. It is a fact.
Okay.
But despite not minding the fact that he didn't die in the war front or during the war, that doesn't undermine his effort and his sacrifice that he laid down.
Okay. Let's even remove the fallen from there. Why do you consider Ojukwu a hero?
Yeah, I consider him a hero because he laid down his personality his comforts, his life for his people.
Personality, comfort, and life. Is that what you said?
Yes.
All right, let's talk about the life. You've already agreed that Oboro Saga. So how did he lay down his life if he ran away? Do you understand that?
There is a parable that he who lives and run away will live to fight another day.
But I understand that parable. However, you said he laid down his life. So if he run away, how is that still him laying down his life?
He laid down his life in the sense that he proclaimed Biafra, and till his death, he never for one day denied.
He actually
renounced.
Mr. King Afe.
He never renounced and he never denied until the day he died.
But Mr. King Afe, thank you for joining. Make we move forward.
Hold on, please, Kachibiko, just 1 minute. Mr. King Afe, I want you to leave this stage knowing that you have not made any singular point. So let me add the points that you do not know about. Ojukwu was interviewed as a Nigerian after he asked Ndigbo to integrate back into Nigeria. And he said that a second Biafra was not necessary. That is where the term or the idea of Biafra of the mind came from. It came from Ojukwu himself. Ajuru Ojukwu in that interview. If you were to do it again, a second Biafra is not necessary. That is what your hero said. You can go now.
Thank you very much for this. But I want you to know.
Thank you, Mr. King. We would have to move forward at this point, but I appreciate you for joining. All right, make we move forward. I don't think we were going anywhere with that conversation because there's a lot of buts. There's a lot of howevers. Now you talk say Ojukwu na hero. He laid down his life, his personal comfort, his personal what, and then his comfort, and then you've also agreed that Ojukwu Borosaga. So if somebody ran away, how is that him laying down his life? Again, just like Chioma said, if someone comes with a superior argument, why do you keep doing but? Why not listen and learn and say fair enough?
I will give him supreme leader. If I was supreme leader now, I'm supreme leader outfit.
If not me, I go say fair enough. Keep it moving. I don't know why I talk fair enough because
even catch you say fair enough. Fair enough.
You don't catch me, no problem. Let's keep it moving. Not so you be. Well, when I don't go won't do the same thing. When I go just do but. The Biafra talk where I carry come today say Biafra day map. I think Jelly don't come here tell me to shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth, Kachi. You don't know what you're saying. I think I talk again. Because obviously what he said made a lot of sense and it's superior to what I knew or what I think I knew before, right? I keep it moving. There's no shame in saying, anyway, it's not about me. Let's keep the show going. I appreciate all of you for coming today. Let's get the next guest.